Diversity 2. How to make the sport blazer amazing project. Just take your material, really cheap material, and cutting and threading and ironing, measuring, and come up with an idea or reconstruct an idea. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, to get my buttons on here, just kind of eyed it where I wanted them to be, and just kind of held them there and took my needle and sewed them on by hand. Take a minute to do. One here, one there. You can use a ruler to space them. This is about I got about 4 inches apart. And to make the buttonhole, you may have to do this on your own, but I would try to line it up and make a marking with my crayon where it's going to go. Put something under there. Make me a slit across there. Diversity 2. How to make a sports jacket, and I added the leaf blower bag tie and little pocket hanky there on a bag that was part of this blower system. Not too bad. Looks good with just a plain t-shirt. And your golf cap? Maybe. Diversity 2, wrapping up the how to make a sports blazer project here. After assembling this whole blazer, take it back apart just to show how simple it is to connect these pieces together. Okay? I have my two arms, actually 4 pieces, and the cuffs is one whole piece sewn onto the end. And I have one of my back panels for the left side, facing this way, and my left side panel at my collar. My collar connected here, halfway connected, I have it torn off. Collar connecting here at the top. My front panel. And there's another panel inside of here, on the other side. It's sewn onto the front panel from this side, and when you fold it, it makes this flap here. I had to make a cutout for my top pocket and my lower pocket and make my 2 pocket flaps there. But this don't have a flap, this has a little strip across there. The flap was easy to make. But there you go. Diversity 2, how to make or redesign a sports blazer. And over here I have my main right side panel there. Connecting the buttons. On this side you will make the buttonholes. And I have my center panel there, here, and my other panel to the rear that connects to this rear panel. So there you have it, the puzzle. I have my curve down here, and this is where you connect the collar in this section here, and of course the arms. Where I will connect the arms. This is half of it. This is the whole thing sewn together there. You can see that. Diversity 2, how to make a sports blazer. This is how I do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.